guys, it's Jaleesa and I'm back with another hair video. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would see that I've been wearing these twists and a ton of you were asking me for a twist tutorial. So here it is. I'm gonna list all the materials and all the hair information in the description box, just gonna make it a lot easier for me to go through this video pretty much. So this tutorial works for regular twists if you use regular Canon straight hair, or you can turn this into a passion twist with the hair that I listed down below. So we're gonna start in the front, and I like working in quadrants. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna do a really nice straight part. I definitely like to do triangle parts, but it's really up to your aesthetic. A lot of people I've seen have not done any kind of particular parting. It's really up to you and what you want the end result to look like. So I'm gonna start with one triangle in the front, clip my hair in the back, and then I'm gonna take some of that pomade and just run it through my hair. It's just gonna help to keep my hair hydrated since my hair has already been hydrated and blown out. So I'm gonna take two pieces of the passion twist hair like that, and I'm pretty much gonna kind of stagger it so that way the ends aren't all one length. And then I'm gonna take some of this edge control gel and apply this to my roots, and it's just gonna really help me to slick it down. It makes everything look a lot nicer, a lot neater. Especially with my hair type, it frizzes really quickly, so edge control helps. So I'm gonna split this section into two, and then I'm gonna place the hair onto my hair. With my right hand, I'm gonna start twisting the right side clockwise and making sure not to twist too tight so you don't pull your hair out at the root. And then grabbing onto the left side with my left hand, I'm just going to flip the right over to the left, and then I can just start twisting. This is gonna help you to keep a really nice tight root, and it's all dependent on how tight you make it. So if you don't want it to be too tight, don't make it too tight. And if you want it to be tight, you can make it tight. It's really up to you. And then just twist normally all the way down. So I'm gonna show here on the other side, I made my triangle part. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that pomade just for some moisture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the edge control to my roots to smooth it down. I'm taking two pieces of the hair, staggering the end so that way I don't have like a blunt end. And then with the right side and my right hand, I'm gonna twist clockwise and then bring that over to the left side. And then start twisting and twisting and twisting depending on how tight I want it. And it's really that easy. That's pretty much all I do all around my head. I don't like to make them too tight, especially because I know that I'm not gonna have them in for that long. I'm not looking for super longevity here, but if you are looking to wear them for at least a month, you're gonna wanna make sure that you get it really precise, nice and tight, not overly tight, but close to the root as possible. And just take your time with it. So I have a close-up here, and again with the right hand just twisting at the root clockwise and then bringing that over to the left, making sure to keep it nice and tight, and then twisting again until you get to the end of your hair, and then you can twist all the way to the end. So this is an entire section here done. As you can see, nice and neat, and I love how bouncy the curly hair is compared to the straight regular Canon hair. So here are the end results. I didn't need to show you all of it because like I said, the tutorial's fairly easy. I went ahead and dipped it in some hot water just so I can seal it all in and it won't unravel, and I love the results. Looks really great. So let me know what you guys think down below. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I love you all, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.